Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video I will tell you how you can delete unnecessary and unneeded files from your computer. It's a very simple and easy way. Just follow me and you can learn it easily. From your Windows, from your keyboard, please press Windows plus R key. Here you can type temp, press enter. See, and then these files are unnecessary files. Just select all, then press shift delete, then press yes, continue, and then skip. Press Win key plus R again. This time type percent 10% and then press enter, then select all, press shift delete, press yes. You can see it's very heavy of files, 1. Press skip. And then press Windows plus R again. This time Prefetch. Please continue. Select all. Shift delete it. Press yes. And the last command is resend. Select all, press shift delete, just delete it. Now if you opened resend again, it's totally empty. Thank you, see you later, have a good time, bye bye.